Students, in today's class we will discuss about the roots. Now before going into the detailed function of the roots, we should know what root is. It is the part of the plant which attaches it to the ground for support, typically underground, conveying water and nourishment to the rest of the plant via numerous branches and fibers. Basically, in one word, it is the underground part through which the plant attaches with the soil. So definitely you must have guessed or understood about certain function of the roots. These are absorption of water and nutrients from the soil. As it is in the soil or it is underground, definitely it helps in absorbing. Then anchoring of the plant body to the ground. That means all the plant, they are anchored with this, or they are deeply attached with the soil. It's because of the root. Conduction of absorbed water and nutrient to the stem. Now it is not the case that plants only absorb water through the roots and the water will remain there. It has to be spread throughout the plant body, and that has been after absorption. Roots also helps them to transport or conduct into the stem. Next is the storage of food. That is, there are some roots which can help to store the food, which we will study in the later part. Then the vegetative reproduction. There are some roots which helps in the vegetative reproduction, and in some cases roots help in the binding of the soil. Now I have already here mentioned, that is, root gives anchorage. Now how would you prove? 2 katoris were taken. Some wet wools were placed in them. Okay, the cotton, which we take a wet cotton and placed in them. 3 or 4 seeds of gram in one and maize in the other were placed. The cotton was kept wet by sprinkling water every day until the sprouts have grown into young plants. You know what is sprout? So in between time, the cottons were constantly being sprinkled with the water to keep it in a wet condition. After a week, the young plants are separated from the cotton. But that separation is not a very easy task. This is due to the fact that roots hold on firmly to the soil. That means here it is the cotton. That is, root anchor the plant with the soil, or here with the cotton. So by this experiment we can prove that roots also give anchorage.